Hi, I'm Eric, the Security Guy. Most of the time this channel is focused on cybersecurity, but today I'm going to switch gears a bit and discuss the importance of physical security as it applies to information technology. Information technology and cybersecurity professionals have a tendency to ignore physical security, and today I'm going to talk about why that is a major mistake. In most situations, physical security underpins cybersecurity. For example, we frequently differentiate between network traffic that crosses the internet and traffic that remains within a data center, office building, or a home. Security policies usually require encrypting data for transmission across public networks, including the internet, while it's often considered acceptable for traffic within a data center or on the storage area network, or SAN for short, to remain unencrypted. From a security perspective, an important characteristic is physical security zoning. The internet is outside the organization's control, and the SAN is inside. Difficulties arise when physical security zoning isn't considered. For example, security vulnerabilities can be introduced when businesses adopt an overly simplistic perimeter security model and place internal network drops or run network cables carrying sensitive information through publicly accessible areas. The vast majority of networking equipment and servers have minimal protection against someone with physical access. While it's not quite as easy as it used to be to reboot a server and obtain root or administrator level access, in most cases methods still exist to reset the privileged credentials. Most networking equipment can quickly be reset to factory defaults, often with a paperclip. While the impact of doing so would probably be noticed immediately if networking equipment is not physically protected, a simple factory reset can result in a serious denial of service situation. Exposed networking equipment or cables also facilitate a wide variety of network attacks. Small, low-power network implants are readily available. It takes seconds to plug one into a switch port or connect an inline device between a network drop and a PC or wireless access point. It's also trivial to connect a small keystroke recorder and injection device between a desktop PC and a USB keyboard. If you haven't seen what these devices look like, I suggest you surf over to hack5.org, that's HAK5.org, which I've linked in the comments, and take a good look at what's available. Thank you for watching. Please help me out by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. As always, if you have any questions or would like to suggest a topic for a future video, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you tomorrow.